everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this milk frother right here. It is by this brand right there. So let's go ahead and get right into this. So I'm doing the intro and the outro today because when I use this in the morning, it is going to be super early and I'm going to be looking all ratchet. So I wanted to at least do the intro and outro where I actually have makeup on and I don't look like all cray cray. So this is how everything comes. I'm actually really excited for this product because the milk frother that I've had it for a while and the bottom of it is starting to crack, and like I use it every single day because I don't like putting cold. I actually use it with heavy whipping cream. You're supposed to use it with milk. I use heavy whipping cream because it doesn't have as much sugar and stuff in it. But you can use milk. I just don't like putting something cold into my coffee and then making it too cold, if that makes any sense. So I prefer to use stuff like this. I like that it does come with this like cleaning brush. So it does come with a user manual. It has this right here, and this is what this is going to actually sit up on and what's going to actually heat up everything. Don't you just love taking off stuff like that? But let's go ahead and rewind to the future and try this out to see how it works, because I cannot wait to use this in the morning because, like I said, mine's going out. So let's go ahead and put this to use. Okay, so that is what it looks like once it's done. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.